Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on must-have crafting and DIY essentials. Today, we're diving into what we confidently call the best sewing pins with glass heads, the 500 PCs quilting pins by Sunenlyst. Whether you're into quilting, dressmaking, or crafting of any kind, stick around. This might just be your new favorite tool. Right out of the box, you're getting a clean, organized set of 500 straight pins. Each pin measures 1.75 inches in length and features a vibrant blue glass ball head that makes it not only stylish but incredibly functional. That blue head isn't just for looks, it makes the pins easy to spot on any fabric, saving time and avoiding accidents. The shaft is made of stainless steel, so it's strong, sharp, and durable. That means no bending, no dull tips, and no frustration when you're working with layers of fabric. The pins glide through medium-thick fabrics with ease, making them ideal for quilting and dressmaking, but also perfectly suited for crafts, jewelry design, and even wedding decorations. Compared to traditional plastic head pins, these glass ball heads are a game-changer. They won't melt under heat, making them iron-safe, which is essential for professional sewing work. You can press over your project with confidence, knowing the pins won't damage your fabric or your iron. One of the best things about this set is the versatility. These pins work just as well on DIY projects as they do in serious sewing tasks. Whether you're piecing a quilt, pinning down a graduation sash, or crafting for a wedding, these pins are reliable companions. And let's not overlook the clear plastic storage box. It's compact, secure, and keeps all 500 pins neatly in one place. No more rogue pins poking out of drawers or rolling around your workspace. With 500 pins in one pack, you're getting incredible value, enough to last through dozens of projects. And with a lifetime guarantee included, Sunenlyst clearly stands behind their quality. So if you're tired of flimsy pins that bend, dull, or melt, it's time to upgrade. The Sunenlyst 500 PCs quilting pins are sharp, sturdy, and smartly designed for anyone serious about sewing or crafting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert product reviews here on Product Critique. Got a tool you want us to review next? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!